Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite someone to your group on Calendly, not to your team, but to your group in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will find the group and team settings in your Calendly account by clicking into that left sidebar and by navigating to the admin center. There, switch from the dashboard, which allows you to manage your team, to the Groups tab, which allows you to manage your groups. So from there, click into the given group. After that, you may click into one of these buttons, add members here or here. And here, search for the username, for example, or send an invitation via email by entering the recipient's email address here. Click into add. And after that, the invitation will be sent. The invitation to your group will be sent to the given user either via email or via invitation here on Calendly. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.